Yeah, so Holland, welcome back. So last part is at the end of this application is delete a product. So I'll just switch to admin page. When I click on this button, I want to delete a product from this database. Okay, and reflect the remaining items over here. So when I click on this button, how you delete is the particular ID you have to pass on and delete. So let's move on to the admin page on HTML. I have a button. So let's make like this, click events. So click delete product by providing the product dot underscore id, the particular id I want to delete. So copy that back to where is that? Yeah, here. Yeah, let's say public click delete product. So you will be getting the product id. Okay, and using this you delete. Very simple. You have already the product service. So this dot product service dot delete product by providing the product id dot subscribe. So you get the data. Nothing to do with data because the deleted product you will receive. And but problem is you can delete it at database. But thing is, I want to have a newly updated data, the remaining data. How you get remaining data? You call this one copy paste it. So once deletion is successful, very important part. Once deletion is successful, then I'm able to get the remaining data in database. Okay, and attach to the products, and that get display. Okay, and if something wrong happens with the subscribe of delete, also you get the error. Okay, that's it. So let me check now. Back to some problem. It says mm, get product ID of product ID. Where is this? I think it's something wrong. Yeah, admin. It says click product ID. Okay, okay. It says it cannot be null. Can be. So I'll say if product ID, then you can go ahead with the story. Now happy because sometimes it can be null. So that way. I hope it's clear. Come on. Type undefined is not assignable to type string or null. Oh, it is undefined. Undefined. Are you happy? Yeah, happy. Okay. Yeah, we made a logic. Now let's see. Yeah, we have four products in database. Also, we have four products. Okay. So when I'm trying to delete the onions and also check for data and onions, I want to delete. Go to admin and I delete onions. Gone only three products, only three. You go check database, only three. You delete carrot, only two, only two, only two. That's all. Okay. So now we have successfully finished. Congratulations. We have successfully finished the Big Basket application, the complete full stack application with all the create, read, update, delete operations. Okay. So thank you so much for joining this course, and let's meet in another course very soon. Thank you.